Imagine you're a talented software engineer with a master's degree in computer science, fresh out of college, and ready to start your career. You land a job offer at a top tech firm with a salary of $120,000, but you know you're worth more. The question is, how much more? In 2026, the average salary for a software engineer in the United States is over $150,000, according to data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. That's a difference of $30,000 right off the bat. The truth is, many of us are leaving money on the table when it comes to salary negotiations. In fact, a recent survey found that 64% of employees don't negotiate their salary, and of those who do, 45% only ask for a small increase of around 5 to 10%. But what if you could negotiate a raise of 20 to 30% or more? That's where learning how to negotiate your salary comes in. So, how do you negotiate like a pro? The first step is to do your research. Look at salary data